In this video, we're going to learn how to solve a formula for a specific variable. So in general, my steps are to, number one, locate the variable that you are asked to solve for in the equation. So for our first equation over here, we're solving st plus 3t equals s, and we're solving for s. So I'm locating the variable that I need to solve for. Step two, identify the operations on this variable and the order in which they are applied. So my s is being multiplied by t, right here, and then we're also adding 3t to it. And step three, we're going to use the inverse operations to undo these operations and isolate the variable. So in order to undo this and to get st by itself, we need to first subtract 3t from both sides. So then we are left with st equals 6 minus 3t. Now I need to get the s by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by t. And I am left with s equals 6 minus 3t, all divided by t. And that is how I isolate a variable and solve for a specific variable within a formula. So now I'm solving f plus 4 divided by g equals 8 for f. So this is what I want to get by itself. So I can start by multiplying both sides by g to undo the division of g. So then I am left with f minus 4 equals 8g. Now to get f by itself, I want to add 4 to both sides. So f equals 8g plus 4. In my last example, I'm solving b plus c equals 10 over a for a. In order to first get a by itself when it's in the denominator, I want to multiply both sides by a. This leaves me with a times b plus c on the left and just 10 on the right. Now to get this a by itself, we can divide both sides by the quantity of b plus c. So then my answer, a, equals 10 divided by the quantity of b plus c. Now the last thing that we're going to do in this video is called you try it. So I've given you two equations right here. The first one you're solving for b, and the second one you're solving for d. So you're going to finish these in your notebook tonight, and we'll go over them tomorrow.